Camila Osorio is a Colombian professional tennis player. He was born on December 22, 2001 in Cúcuta, Colombia. She is the winner of the girls' singles title at the 2019 US Open. In the final, she defeated Alexandra Yepifanova, losing only one game. On the ITF Junior Circuit, Osorio has a career-high ranking of world number 1 achieved in September 2019. At the 2018 Summer Youth Olympics, she won a bronze medal in girls singles and a silver medal in mixed doubles alongside Nicolás Mejía. She is the granddaughter of former Colombian national team football player Rolando Serrano. She has won one singles title on the WTA Tour and 3 singles titles on the ITF Circuit. In April 2021, while ranked world number 180, Osorio won her first singles title at the Copa Colzanitas in her native Colombia, beating Tamara Zidansek in the final. She followed up with a semi-final appearance at the Charleston Open the following week. In May, she reached her third straight clay court semi-final at the Serbia Open, entering the top 100 as a result. She has gained a lot of popularity and fame in her lifetime. Osorio Serrano started at the US Open by beating Ivana Zorovic in the first round of the tournament before losing to Ons Jabeur in the second. She came through the qualifiers on the French Open to make her Grand Slam debut. She lost in the first round to Madison Brangle. In June, she again qualified for the main draw at the Wimbledon Championships. Osorio Serrano completed the first season of her professional career by reaching the final of the Tenerife Open, where she eventually lost to Ann Lee. She later revealed in an interview that she sustained an abdominal injury which affected her in the final round of the tournament. Her success at the tournament saw her reach her career high of 53.